know that parenting is an art and also a skill. We all become parent or take a new birth as a parent the moment we get our child. And then the learning process starts off. We do many mistakes, but we learn how to become a better parent every day by being a parent practically dealing with all the ups and downs of our children in our daily lives. The first hurdle starts when the child reaches a teen. A teenage child is very different from the child who was not there till now. Teenage child misunderstands the parent, and parents also try to understand the child why he or she is behaving so differently. We felt that this is a very relevant topic and it has to be dealt in a very interesting way along with parents and the child. And that's why we have arranged this expert talk series about the parenting. How to help a parent to understand his or her or their teenager. There cannot be a better person than our life coach Deepak Shinde, who has enormous experience by dealing with these teenagers, by dealing with all the parents to understand the concept of parenting from both the sides. Please mark your date and don't miss this great opportunity to be with the life coach and understand the skill of parenting. We are all waiting to give this opportunity to each one of us, to get this opportunity to each one of us to understand the topic in a much better way under the guidance of the great life coach Deepak Shinde. Thank you.